Hi, I'm Walter from beautiful Surrey, British Columbia. I'm reviewing the Noma Linkable Motion Activated Post Cap Solar Lights, which I've put to the test, and we're going to do the setup first. And for Canadian Tested for Life, here we go. Before we begin setup, I'd just like to mention that you can post mount or rail mount, and all the hardware is included. And also you have to charge 8 to 12 hours in daylight or sunlight for the batteries to get fully charged. The setup is quite easy. So when you flip the cap over, you'll see there's a switch for off, low, and auto. And also a link to get all the lights on with one master detecting the motion. And we'll demonstrate that. So there we have the lights. On low mode, you'll have the light staying on at about 20, up to 20 lumens until the charge is done, more than likely overnight. And then you have the motion activated. It'll go from 20 lumens up to 200 lumens for 30 seconds, and then it'll turn off. And as you'll notice, I've got the middle one on motion activated and the other two just staying still. So as I move, there we go. It goes a little brighter than the other two, and that'll remain on for 30 seconds. And that's in non-linkable mode. So I'm going to set up for a linkable mode. To put the lights in linkable mode, we're going to have one light as the parent light, and all the other lights will be child lights. In our demonstration, the middle one will be the parent light, and the two on the side will be the child lights. And you can follow the instructions on how to do that. I'm going to set it up and show you in a little. As per instruction, I've set up the two child lights, and they're flashing every 1 second. Now I'm going to set up the parent light. I've just finished setting up the parent light, and as you can see, it flashes once every 4 seconds, and that'll pair everything. And that concludes the setup. So as you can see, any one of these lights, this is the parent light here, and that will activate all of them. There we go. For up to 30 seconds, and then they'll go back down to 20 lumens. This time we're going to pass by one of the child lights and see what happens. And there we go, child light activates it. I'm going to demonstrate the linkable mode, where the parent light or the child light, when triggered by motion, will activate all the other lights. Up to 20 lights within a 65-foot distance, as long as there's no obstructions in between the lights. You can also add lights or remove them or deactivate. Demonstrate how this works. I'm going to pass by the first child light, and then that'll activate the rest of the lights. And here we go. And now it's gone up to 200 lumens, and in 30 seconds it'll go back down to the low mode and stay that way until it's activated again. And that's Canadian Tire Tested for Life. I recommend the Noma Linkable Motion Activated Post Cap Solar Lights to my family and friends because it creates great ambience, easy to use, protected by a 1-year warranty. Go get it.